Is that nice? I can't move my neck there. I feel like I'm being strangled. Oh, little neck is nice. Made a hole in my scarf. Yeah. I need to feel like edgy. Ow, 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 it pinched my hair. I don't know, what do you think? It's one of those scarves that make you like not hear anything. Oh, let's tie it up here actually. And then actually we should double knot because it's fashion. Swear to God, if I did this look like a fashion week or something, people would just think, wow, she must work somewhere really fashion. No, you know what it is? I gotta do this. It's in to do this now. That is a fashion, yo. Oh, this needs ironing. Oh, there's a pin still in it. That's dangerous, man. Very dangerous, bro. What if I just, maybe just like, pulled off one of them, just flopped?
Are you asleep, love?
I like this. You know, they're like, all right, back up. The lazy, schlumped on hijab, like that. You know, that style. I like that. Should we stick a hat on? See how that goes. Oh no, this hat doesn't go. You know, when you wear a hat with a scarf, like your bun has to be so low or non-existent. Here we go. Is that a bit better? Ooh, ooh. Now I look like a Jenna Jabby. Is that nice? Do you like that? Do I look like a mum?
No.
Oh, I don't know if that's suitable. Then look what it does. Everything's just getting messy now. Oh, let's try. Oh, maybe, where's my grey scarf? I need to find a good look. Double folded a bit, all right? Now I'm gonna bring it around the back like that, right? I'm gonna just tie it like a ponytail or what? Whee! Wow, style. What do you reckon? What do you think? Maybe a bit of that. There we go, pull the edges.
This is like...
This is suffocating my brain.
That's quite good.
Do you like this one?
I like it.
What, if you saw me out and about, you'd be like...
She hot.
I got no forehead, bro. I love a good forehead. And what about just like this? Like that? Let's wrap this bit. I do like the texture of these chiffon looks, you know. It's a bit laid back like the other style, but a bit more secure. I just need some more volume now. Let's just add another little scarf on. Ow, ow. Okay. Let's bring that up here. Just give me some more volume, you know. Like this. As if it's hair. Like this is hair. This is like hair, right? I'm just taking my hat. Do you like it? What do you think? That's kind of cool, you know. Bit of fringe. I should just get... No fringe, because then it gets a bit like too many things happening.
I've got one question.
Go on.
Does your head go up that high?
What's this? What's this bump in the road? This is like the Hijab now, this one. You ready? Go like that. Like that. And then I think you just go like that. Why have I gone Liverpool? Just go like that a bit more. So it's a combo between that first one that we did, the tight one. The thing is, how do you breathe, bro? Oh, you know what's cool? Get the sideburns out of this. How's that look?
No, that looks great.
Oh, where's my sunglasses? That is too much fashion, don't you reckon? Oh, I like it actually. People are gonna get offended, but don't worry guys, I'm half one of you. And I'm half the other side, so I can take the piss out of both. You like it? Do you actually like that? What about this? This fabric is so fun. It's so stiff. So what could I do with that? See, this is one of those fabrics where you can't hear. Can't hear anything. I do love a good turban. I do though. I can't help it.
It hasn't gone anywhere. You always wear turban.
Yeah, but I love like a good turban, you know, like this. I do like that. See, the good thing about these fabrics is that they keep their shape and you don't need to put any pins in. What about just my usual? This is actually like the easiest style on the planet, which is like the half turban, half regular. I'm just doing it to see how I feel after trying out a few other looks, you know what I mean? Even just that with this kind of textured scarf. Like I use one pin for this style as well. I'm just declaring the love I have for this look, that's all. Ow. That kind of thing. It's so comfortable, that's the thing, it's so comfy. And then, because you got so much to play with, you can just like do a wraparound. Problem is though, it's hard to get these scarves. They advertise it like it's this one, but it ain't.
Do a really bonkers look. There's the challenge.
Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna have one short side, one long side, and you're gonna twist this one. Twist, twisty, twist. Twisty, twisty, twist. And you're gonna keep twisting. I'm literally making this up on the spot. Until it starts going back around on itself. Basically, you have to make a ball out of twists. Ow! Like that, okay? Obviously, you have to pin. And then on this side here, and then undo the double. Bring this side around the back, just tuck it in. And then you're gonna take the end of the long one, and you're gonna go like this, behind the one that you made earlier. And you're just gonna bring it like that. And then remember, under the folds of that side, and in there.
I can't believe you just made that up.
What do you reckon? Maybe, you know, I mean, if you didn't want to be so extra, you don't have to have the twirly. Do you try some turban looks? You try some turbans. Turbans are so comfortable. This, right, is a ready-made turban. Someone definitely from Indonesia gave me years ago. It's actually bare comfortable, you know. Oh, my bun's too big though. You've got to have a pea head to wear all this stuff, you get me? It stretches there. Nice. Nice, girl. Well, go on. Just secure on my head. Looks like I've tied it. Oh, what about that look that I did that everyone loved? The beret beanie. Sid
I didn't.
loved this one.
I really didn't.
He loved it. This was super comfy too though. Just like that, isn't it?
Everybody's gonna nick this idea now. Scarf with a beanie.
I'm already gonna make beanie scarves. That's really comfy too, this one. Army print. But I always feel a bit weird wearing army print as a Muslim. I used to have the guts to do mad turban styles, you know, and actually go out with them, but when you have a kid, it's just like, nah. Ow, ow, ow. And then I put this one like this here. And then I just get this one like that. And just like that. Like that one. Oh, it's so uncomfortable. Use this bandana. I haven't used this bandana, Sid.
How'd you put this thing on? There you go. There we go. Okay.
It's got to match this tan colour.
I'm doing the tutorial, not you. Plonk it on the head, like so. And then you take it back around, like that. Yeah. Then you twirl it around the neck.
Oh, that looks pretty sick, you know.
Yeah, yeah. And then you take this bit.
You know what this makes me look like? This makes me look like Australian hijabis. Australian hijabis do this kind of thing, don't they, all the time? What about like that? That's Australian hijabi. They show the bandana like that and then, yeah.
I killed it.
Sid, that's a nice style. Look, look, look.
I
Oh,
actually
I just
killed
messed
it.
up the whole thing. What did you do? You
Next
went like
video, husband styles my hijab. There you
that. Oh,
go.
that's nice too, look.
There you go.
Oh, that's a nice look, guys. That's elegance. So, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial / non-tutorial. And hopefully you got some inspiration, you know? I hope you enjoyed that. I certainly didn't. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye!